Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make stuffed falafel. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here half kilo of rinsed garbanzo. I left it in soak for 2 days. A little bit of parsley, 1 onion, 3 or 4 scallions, 3 or 4 garlic cloves, 2 spoons of ground coriander, 1 big spoon of cumin, quarter spoon of carbonate, quarter spoon of baking powder, and salt. As I told you before, this seasoning for a half kilo of garbanzo. We're also gonna use some sesame. For the filling, we're gonna use 1 chopped onion and some sumac. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal. First, I'm gonna prepare the filling. In a frying pan, put some oil, add over it the onion, fry it a little bit. Then add the sumac. Stir all together for around 2 minutes and that's it. Leave it aside to cool down. Secondly, we're gonna ground the garbanzo. In the food processor, put some of the garbanzo and the vegetables that we have together and ground it. We don't want to ground it too much. We want it to be a little bit rough. Do all the quantity that you have, and this is how it's look after we finished. And to know if it's ready to be fried, take a little bit with your hand and make it like a bowl. If you did it easy, then the garbanzo is ready. Take whatever you need to fry it, and the rest of it you can put it on a bags and leave it in the fridge to use it another day. Season the mixture with the ground coriander, the cumin, the salt, the baking powder, and the carbonate. Mix all together and leave it aside for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, start to make the stuffed falafel. Now to make the falafel, you need a special spoon for that. But if you don't have this spoon, we're gonna use our hands. Take a little bit of the garbanzo in your hand, make it like a ball, then with your fingers open it and put the filling in it, then take a little bit more of garbanzo and cover the filling with it, like you see in the video. Close it well from the sides and make it like a ball again. Then press it with your both hand a little bit to make it a wheel shape like you see in the video. Put it over the sesame to take some of it. Then take it out. Make a hole in the middle with your finger and fry it. To know if the oil is ready to be used, put a little bit of garbanzo in it. If it's float over the oil, then the oil is ready. Let's do another one. You can change this filling with other fillings like white cheese, yellow cheese, cream cheese, whatever you like. The important thing that don't put a lot of filling inside the falafel. Do the rest of the falafel like this, and that's it. This is our stuffed falafel. Very delicious. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.